Hi, today I want to show you a website where you can enter the text description and it will generate an image for you. You might have already heard of the DALL-E. It's a program developed by OpenAI, and the website is DALL-E Mini, so it's a small version of that. I will put a link in the description for you to try. So it's saying to enter a prompt, so basically the text description. So let's try out something very simple first. Sunset in Paris, and run. Sometimes you may encounter traffic load problem and you have to try it later. At the moment I'm lucky. Okay, now you can see there are 9 different images suggestions. So it's not very detailed. So let's click through it. And this one looks more like a painting. It's quite impressive. You may think that what's the point here? You can do that much easier in Google search, and you will get better images. But let me try something different. Giant explosion in Forbidden City. Okay, now you can see too much traffic. Please try again later. So after a while, now there are images returned. Now you can see there's an explosion here. There are other suggestions. This looked pretty like the Forbidden City in China. Okay, now that's the whole point of the generated image. So there wasn't an explosion in the Forbidden City. So this is an artificially generated image. Of course, you can see the details are really bad, not really photorealistic. This is just a DALL-E Mini. What we can try is to make it like artwork. I can type in oil painting style. So now this is a new version. The explosion looks much bigger. So anyway, have a look. This is the artwork. It's like painting style. That looks quite interesting. So, wow. One thing I have to show you, the DALL-E Mini doesn't do really well with human. So let's try something interesting. Charlie Chaplin taking a selfie. Okay, now let's have a look. The Charlie Chaplin, the face looks terrible. Oh, this is like a Polaroid camera. Anyway, this look like he's taking a selfie. And this one, I'm not sure. This one is holding a picture. And yes, it's not really good. What we can do is, let's modify a little bit. Taking a selfie and in cartoon style. Okay. Now it looks more interesting. This is look like using a selfie stick. And this is also funny. And it's a kind of artwork. It's not photorealistic, but oh, this is good. This is good. I have to download it. I have to save this. Save image as. Put it here. The only problem is you will see this is my image. Just saved, and it's not high resolution. only 256 times 256. But what you can do is you can try with the AI upscale. I have done another video, so you can upscale images with the so-called Real-ESRGAN software. So let's go on. This one is not good. This one is not good. Yes, this one is really good. This one is really good. I like it. And now I want to show you with objects. Let's say pineapple duck. So after a while, it returns this. It's quite interesting. Oh, this one is not even connected. Okay, this one has no pineapple. Oh, this one looks terrible. Oh, this one is even on the water. Okay. This one is funny. Yeah, I think I quite like this. I think you get an idea what the website DALL-E Mini can create. You can work around with some style if the result is not what you're expecting. And you can play around and have some funny artwork. At the end, I want to show you some of my creations. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.